Hello guys, this is William here. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to install the best Linux distro I have found out in 2017. It's Deepin OS 15.3. So if you want to check this out, I can assure you that it will be the most beautiful OS you'll ever find. It's stable too. And the only problem I have ever had with this is that sometimes the dock disappears, but nothing major. It'll be a breeze to use, it's really fast and intuitive, and my god, it's damn beautiful. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, we need to create a bootable. So for that, use the software Rufus, plug in your USB drive, select the ISO symbol and select the Deepin ISO, which I have provided link in the description, and click on OK. Click on all the other prompts, and once you're done with that, wait for the process to complete. It'll take a minute, and once it's done, you're good to go. Okay, so we're done here. Now open this PC, right click on it and click on manage. And we are doing this to get some space for our OS. Then click on disk management and select the disk you want to free up some space from. I'll use this disk, it has some space left, and then click on shrink volume. For Deepin OS, if you are just an enthusiast and don't want to use it as a primary OS, I think you'll be better off with 25 GBs. Let me calculate what it'll be in MBs. It'll be 25 into 1024, and it's equal to 25,600. So that's what I'll input here, 25,600, and click on shrink. Oh, by the time it's shrinking, let me show you one thing you should do to make your Linux run smooth. Go to Power Options, then choose what the Power Options do and change the settings. Then turn off Fast Startup. That's a pretty necessary step to get your Linux distro working without any hassle. Okay, you see, we're done here. Then we'll restart the PC. Here you'll have to press the key to get into the setup. It'll be different for everyone. I have it at F2, and once you're done with that, select the USB drive. It'll take some time to boot into the menu where you'll select your languages. Once it's done, select your language. Here enter your name, and PC name will be generated upon it. You can change it if you want to, but I'll leave it as such. And then enter your password. You can also select your time zone here to get the accurate time for your zone. So go to this UTC tab and select the time zone. I'm from India, so I'm selecting that. And selected, click on next. Now find the space which you have freed. This is the free space, 25 GBs, and then click on new partition. Here I first want to use like 10 GBs for my root partition. So approx it'll be 10,000 MBs, and click on the slash symbol. This will be your root partition. Click on OK. Now select the left free space again and click on new partition. And at this time I'll use 2 GBs for swap size. Okay. So here I'll enter 2000. It'll roughly be equal to 2 GBs. Once you're done with that, click on OK. Now the available free space, click on new partition and set it as home, and then click OK again. Once you're done with that, you're pretty much good to go. See if you have the UEFI symbol ticked and then click on install. Click on OK and give it some time to install. Once it's complete, click on Reboot Now. Here you'll have the Deepin grub menu with top for Deepin OS and third one for Windows Manager. So go to Deepin by entering on the top one, and you're now booting into the Deepin OS. Enter the password you created in the step before and click on enter. Yeah, you'll hear the sweet booting sound of Deepin OS and you'll be booted into this beautiful OS. You see how beautiful it looks? The file manager and the dock below, they're really beautiful, and there are some really nice functionalities like the edge browsing, which you'll know once you boot into it. It's basically you go on different edges to get different options. With this, we're pretty much done. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any problems in the installation, let me know in the comments down below, or if you have any thoughts for my future videos, please put them in the comments too. And yeah, please hit the subscribe button and like button if you like the video. And for the $100 giveaway, refer to the link in the description. With this, it's me, William, signing off. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.